Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really interesting because in this video I will tell you the secret of my healthy skin. For my healthy wrinkle-free skin, I use retinol. As we know that retinol is the key ingredient for restoring and rejuvenating your skin. So today I have come up with the newly launched product by Lotus Botanicals Bio Retinol Youth Radiance Sleeping Mask. I will talk about the product, its main ingredients, its benefits, how to apply the product, and finally my review. So let's start with the video. This sleeping mask comes in a glass container which is really sturdy. This sleeping mask is lightweight, fast absorbing formula that bestows intense hydration. Ultimately, we get nourished skin overnight. The bioretinol is a natural vitamin, a derivative which is holy grail for anti-aging and anti-acne. Retinol boosts the collagen level and also produces new blood vessels in the skin which improves skin radiance. If I talk about the benefits of this product, it targets mainly on fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet. All in all, transform your skin and it provides radiance and smooth texture. Key ingredients are aqua, niacinamide, glycerin, cocoa seed butter, biotin, citrus acid, sodium acrylate, and many more. It is really simple to use. You have to clean your face properly and tone your skin, and after that apply a even layer of biotin retinol youth radiance sleeping mask. Massage gently all over your face and neck till cream is completely absorbed. Use regularly for best result, and it is also suitable to all skin types. When it comes to my personal experience that I have used it 3-4 times already, and I feel so nourished and skin looks youthful because of this mask. It is now in my favorite list of sleeping mask. I will use it regularly because I want my skin to be healthy and youthful. This can be a best investment. You should try your hands. If you love your skin, make sure you apply sunscreen in the morning because without sunscreen your skin cannot be healed. You can even try out Lotus Botanicals Vitamin C Matte Fluid Sunscreen. It is really superb. And I will also provide the coupon code through which you will get the 20% discount. I hope my review will be beneficial and I'll meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.